Stop publishing books that don't sell. If you publish low content books on Amazon KDP, this video is for you. I know there is a lot of competition out there and a lot of people are actually going into low content books these days. And so you might be looking like, oh, this is really difficult and you are not making headway. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple tool that you can use to get ahead of your competitors. I hope you know that in Amazon KDP, a lot of your time will go into research because that is what actually matters. Researching the kind of books you want to create and then going ahead to create it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple tool that you can use to do your Amazon KDP research, that you can use to create unlimited amount of low content books, like in less than 10 minutes. So make sure that you watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary Joy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. I share tips, strategies, and opportunities that you can use to make money online for yourself. So if you like to keep getting information, getting this update, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell. Because if you don't, when I drop another video on this kind of opportunities, you might not get access to that video and you might not know. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell, and you keep getting awesome videos. This tool that I'm talking about is called BookBoat. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how BookBoat works and how you can start using it for your Amazon KDP business, how you can do research, how you can create your books. So let's start. I'm going to log into my profile right now. So I already have my password saved. So I'm just going to log in. When you log in, this is how it's going to look like. This is how BookBoat looks like. So let me now start taking you through the process and how to use this particular tool. So let's say you want to create your own low content book. For example, you're going to come over to this section where it says research. You're going to click it down and you're going to see create. You click on create and it's going to ask you like what you want to use. So I'm going to be using the BookBoat designer. So it's going to ask you to put in your details. I already have my details here, so I'm just going to click login. So this is how it usually looks like. So I'm just going to close this place and I'm going to try to use the BookBoat Studio. So I log into my BookBoat Studio. Ask me what I want to do. Is it paperback cover or interior? But you have the option of just putting paperback, both cover and interior. So you get to do the cover and interior together. So I just click cover and interior. Project name. You can actually name your project anything that you want. You just put Mary. So depending on the size of your book, there are several sizes that are here, depending on the sizes that you are using. So you just put your size and black and white with paper, black and white with cream. So the options are actually numerous for you to choose from. So I'm just going to go with black and white material with white paper. So the page count, I want it to be 120. This is not like, I just mentioned this from my edge. You can actually make it 100 or 120, whichever one you choose. So I'm just going to click on create project. Once I create project, it has brought me to this blank page, and this is where the work is going to go on. So right now, I want to put in a picture, and you actually have the option of bringing in picture from outside or using the picture that's already provided by BookBoat. So I'm going to come over to this place, and I'm going to click on files. And when I click on files, these are actually some of the pictures that I already used from my project. You can actually upload your files from outside, like from your computer. Just click on upload file and it's going to ask you what you want to upload. So that is how it works. So right now you can also go to Pixabay or you can go to Unsplash where you get access to pictures that you can use. So I'm just going to come to Pixabay or okay, I already have. If you come to Pixabay, you can pick. There are several pictures that you can actually use. A lot of them that you can use for free. And you can actually check that out. So I'm just going to come over to my uploads. I already have a picture I want to use. So I'm just going to click on this particular picture. And this is it. So if, for example, you want to make your picture look like double, you can actually do that. All you need to do is just come to this place that says make pattern. And once you click on make pattern, it's going to actually create that picture in pattern. You can see that now. Let me just drag it out. you see that the books, can you see that it's already in pattern? But I don't want this, actually don't want this. So I'm just going to delete it. I don't want this. So I just want the plain picture. So when I get this picture, I'm just going to drag it out, like to fill this particular page that is here. I'm just going to drag it. So this is dependent on you, whatever you want to do. So this is actually how the book cover is going to look like. So if you want to add your text, for example, you want to add your text, you can come over to this place, click on text, and you can add your text variant. So I'm just going to come over here and edit my text variant. When you click on edit text variant, so you can add whatever you want to add in that section. So I'm actually creating a journal, a gratitude journal. So I'm just going to write gratitude, then click on OK. When you do that, you can actually come over here to actually edit the picture, put in the kind of font that you want. This is an option for fonts. You put in the font you want, and then you can actually enlarge it as you please. So this is how it's going to look like, gratitude. So maybe I want to add something else below here. I'm just going to go over to text again and just click on text variant. So let me just do that and show you guys the final process. Now, this is how the final piece look like. Because I'm actually doing a tutorial, I just wanted it to be very, very simple. So this is how it looks like. So I've shown you how to add the text and all of that. So right now we are done with the first page. We are going to go over to our second page. We are going to click on the page. And so because this page is actually where the text is going to be, depending on how you want to customize your book, you can actually put maybe a little introduction and whatever you want to do. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go straight to the content of the book itself. So you're going to come over to this maze-like symbol that says page template. You click on page template, it's going to bring you to this section where you have a lot of templates that you can use depending on what you're creating. This says a body measurement tracker. This is a birthday reminder. There are a lot of templates that you can use over here. There are a lot of them. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing a gratitude journal. So I'm just going to click on gratitude journal. And so when you click on gratitude journal, it's going to ask you if you want to maybe put it in just a page, or you want to put it in the odd pages, or you want to put it in the even pages. Maybe you have something else you want to put in the other pages. But if not, if you're making all the pages the same, you just come over here and select all. When you click on select all, you are going to deselect this one by just clicking on it. So when you click on it, you deselected it. That's the cover page. So once you're done with that, you now click on next. Once you click on next, this part, you don't need to do anything. Just click on submit. When you click on submit, it's going to bring you over to this page where the content of the book is actually already done. So this is how it looks like. Let me raise it up a bit. Can you see it? So right now, if you decide to go scroll down, you will see that we have over 120 pages of this particular content, over 120 pages of it already, and every one of them is going to come in this format. It's going to have this content inside of them. If, for example, you think you want to change something else, you can actually go ahead and do that. So right now, I'm going to, I'm done. I actually like the way it looks. It's still actually loading here, or it's definitely going to load to all the 120 pages. And when I'm done, I'm going to come and download it. So you're going to come over to project, and you're going to click on download this project. When you click on download this project, it will start downloading. Our book has been downloaded now. You can go over to your system and check the book out. So I just opened the interior of the book, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. If you need to make any modification, if you need to do any changes, no problem, you can go ahead and do that. But right now, let's now go into the main thing. Let's talk about the main thing, which is the research. I'm going to show you how this tool will help you do research seamlessly, easy, and very fast. So you're going to come over to this page and click on research. And the first tool we are going to be exploring here is the keywords. Remember, keywords are those words that your likely customers are searching for. So you are going to be using the right keywords in order to enable that they find your product easily. So let's say, for example, we are working on a gratitude journal. So we're going to click on search. Click on search. It's going to bring out several results of related keywords that your customers are searching for. It's going to show you the Amazon search volume, and it's going to show you the Google search volume and the competition and all of that. So right now, if you see now, this a gratitude journal has over 9,000 search on Amazon per month. A gratitude journal 4 has over 10,000 search volume from Amazon per month. So this is actually very awesome and interesting. Look at a gratitude journal for women has over 10,000 search volume. This is actually interesting. So with this, you can know the keywords that you can use in your book that would help you that would help your customers to actually find your product. So that is that for the keywords. Let's go over to the KDP categories. You know, when you're trying to create your book and publish it, you actually need to put it in a category. Most times, many of us are not really sure of the kind of categories to put our book. BookBoat is going to help you do that. So you actually come here and click on gratitude journal. When you click on gratitude journal, it has brought out likely categories that you can actually place your book and you would actually make sales. So this is non-fiction, this is biography and autography, editor. So when you come over here, maybe you go to journal non-fiction, you go over to language art, then you pick journal writing. So that's the category that you would publish your book. This is actually awesome. Let's say, for example, you want to create, let's say, a prayer journal. This is the same thing. You also bring out likely categories where you can actually place your book. This alone can save you a lot of time thinking and trying to understand what categories to place your book in. So this tool, to be honest with you, it is actually awesome. So right now, let's come over to this other one that I love so much. It's called the KDP Spy. So as the name implies, it would help you spy on your competitors. You know the books that are doing well, the BSR rank from just a page. Let me show you that. So right now we're going to add this because it's an extension. So you add it to Chrome, add extension to Chrome. Once you finish adding the extension to Chrome, make sure that you actually come to this space to ensure that the extension is being seen on your device. So you come over to this place and activate it. So you pin it. The moment you pin it, it will start showing. I will explain the reason for this later. So right now we are going to, this KDP Spy works on when you're on Amazon.com site. So I'm going to go over to Amazon.com right now. So we are now at Amazon.com. Just come over to this place and let's go over to Kindle store. Then we're going to type gratitude journal. So when we type gratitude journal, we are going to come over to this KDP Spy that is there. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will prompt you to actually sign up with your details. So after you sign up, then it will open. So this is how it looks like. So what does it do? It gives you the average number of sales that is happening in this particular niche. It's going to give you the average number of reviews that the product has. It's going to give you the average BSR. So for this, I'm going to be trying just 100 products. So I'm going to click on the start, and now this part is loading. You can see it's loading up. So I'm going to wait till we get to about 100 products. Then we are going to discuss it. So I've stopped it now. We actually have 110 products. So from this 110 products, it shows that the average number of sales is actually 2 sales in a month. The average number of reviews is like 1. The average price is like $2, and this is the average BSR. So with this, you can know the books that are doing well. For example, if we decide to scroll down to find one that actually has 23 sales in a month, this one has over 15 sales in a month. Guys, this is very, very interesting. So, and this is their BSR rank. So you can actually look for a book that is actually doing well. Check out what the competitor, what the book owner actually did. Check out some of the keywords that they use and look for a way that you can also use it. Because for them to be doing well, meaning that what they are doing is working. So you just look for a way to adopt what they are doing into your own book. And this would actually help you a lot. So I am sure by now you are already interested in BookBolt and you would like to also start using it. There are several other things that you will get to benefit from BookBolt. For the sake of this video, I might not be able to explain all of them. So you can also register for BookBolt today and get started. But I want you to know that BookBolt is not actually a free tool. It comes at a price, and it's cost $9.99 for newbie and $19.99 for pro for a month. Do you understand? But if you use the code I'm going to be leaving in the description section of this video, you're going to be getting a 20% discount. If you are registering with that particular link, it's going to save you 20% of this initial price or whichever package you are going for. And how do you do that? Just come over and click on start for free. You also have a 3-day free trial when you register on BookBolt. When you click on that start for free, it's going to bring you over to this page where you get to put your name, your details, and the next page is going to ask you for your bank details, your card details, and you make payments and you start using BookBolt. I promise you, if you are able to maximize BookBolt, you are going to see significant results in your Amazon KDP business. If you also like to get more videos as regards Amazon KDP or how to make money online generally, do well to subscribe to my channel right now and turn on your post notification bell. So whenever I drop that video, you are going to get notified from YouTube. So we have come to the end of today's video. I really do hope that you got value from today's video. Remember, if you have any questions, you can leave them for me in the comment section.